Hey guys, Carrie Cobb, your B.O.S.S mortgage coach here. Congratulations, it's now time to review your initial closing disclosure, or CD. So what does that mean? What is your closing disclosure? This 5-page closing disclosure sums up the terms of your loan and what you pay at closing. You can easily compare the numbers to the loan estimate you received earlier in the loan process. There should not be any significant changes other than those you have already agreed to. Take out your own closing disclosure or review the example here. Double check that you clearly understand what you'll be expected to pay over the life of your loan and at closing. On page 1 of 5, here you will find your loan terms section. Review your monthly payment. Part of it goes to repay what you borrowed and may build equity in your new home. And part of it goes to pay interest, which doesn't build equity. Equity is the current market value of your home minus the amount you still owe on your mortgage. You will also find your costs at closing section. Be prepared to bring the full cash to close amount with you to your closing. This amount includes your down payment and closing costs. The closing costs are itemized on the following pages. On page 2 of 5, you will find your total loan costs section. Origination charges are fees your lender charges to make your loan. Some closing costs are fees paid to the providers selected by your lender, and some are fees you pay to providers you chose on your own. You will also find your prepaids and escrow section here. Homeowners insurance is often paid in advance for the first full year. Also, some taxes and other fees need to be paid in advance. An escrow or impound account is a special account where monthly homeowners insurance and tax payments are held until they are paid out each year. You get a statement showing how much your lender or mortgage servicer plans to require for your escrow or impound account. You also get an annual analysis showing what happened to the money in your account. Your lender must follow federal rules to make sure they do not end up with a large surplus or shortage in your escrow or impound account. On page 3 of 5, you will find the Calculating Cash to Close section. Closing costs are only a part of the total cash you need to bring to closing. You will also find the Summaries of Transactions section here. The section at the bottom of the page sums up how the money flows among you, the lender, and the seller. On page 4 of 5, you will find the Loan Disclosures section. Page 4 breaks down what is and is not included in your escrow or impound account. Make sure you understand what is paid from your escrow account and what you are responsible for paying yourself, like homeowners association fees. On page 5 of 5, you will find the Finance Charge section. In addition to paying back the amount you are borrowing, you pay a lot of interest over the life of the loan. That is why it is worthwhile to shop carefully for the best loan for your situation. Annual percentage rate, APR, is your total cost of credit stated as a rate. Now, your APR is generally higher than your interest rate because the APR takes into consideration all of the costs of your loan over the full term of the loan. If anything on the closing disclosure is not clear to you, ask me, your lender, or your attorney, what does this mean? So there you have it, your home buying process with next steps. Awesome, right? Reminder, if anything changes with your current financial situation, or you're contemplating making any changes, shifting funds, changing jobs, pretty much anything that deals with you and your money, call me first. That way we can assist you without disqualifying you for your mortgage loan, right? Again, you don't want to get to that day of closing and then figure out you can't close because you took a loan out for a mattress, right? So just call me. That's what I'm here for. Again, we cannot thank you enough for trusting the B.O.S. mortgage coaching team to be a part of your home buying team, to coach you through the home buying process, and to make the best financial decisions for you and your family. Until the next video update, have a great day. Bye, guys. B.O.S. Mortgage Coach signing out.